How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? The very first step is we need to consider the lamp as a point and the table as a plane. Something like this. So we have the table and say this is the lamp. Okay, so we can consider this as a plane and this as a point. Or if we change the perspective, it will be obvious. Not that. Yes, this. Can you see that? This is your plane and this is your lamp, which is acting like a point. Okay, and the next thing is, let's see what's the next thing. Choose the origin. So how do you choose the origin? Let's see that. We can consider one of the vertex of the table as the origin. So when you look at in this manner, so this is a two-dimensional space, right? Can you see this? This is a two-dimensional space. So let me copy this so that it's easy to discuss. Okay, now we have this. So there are four corners, four vertex. So we can choose one of it. Say this looks convenient. So if that is your origin, we'll call it as obviously O. The axis, we need to choose the axis. The edges of the table with the vertex becomes the axis. So this is the edge of the table. So this becomes your axis. So this you call it as X and this you call it as Y. So this is Y dash and this is X dash. Perpendicular distance. So once you are done with your origin and the edges, right, your axis and the origin, that is, we need to measure the perpendicular distance. That's the entire point of this. So this will be your perpendicular distance. So measure the distance of the lamp from the edges. So this is one edge, another edge. This is your perpendicular distance and we call it as U units and Q units. Again, I'm calling it that way. You guys can call it however you want. And the last thing is to communicate. You can write the position of the lamp as P comma Q, if not Q comma P, depending on the order you fix. So depending on how you consider the origin, how you consider the edges, and how you measure and things like that. Okay, so we can shift the origin, right? You can just do this and you're done, right? You shifted the origin. If you do this, then again you shifted the origin, is it not? So there's no rule that you have to fix it that way or this way, and the measurement will change as and when you change the origin. So this is how you can discuss where the lamp is to another person. Yes, it looks, one will do that, but again, it is to give you guys an idea how a coordinate geometry works. So pause and have a look.